Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a new pattern in Boho Art style. For this, we need a paper, black color paint, other color paints, and 000 number brush. I am going to do it on the canvas bag. So let's start. We are going to draw a leaf pattern. To draw leaf pattern, we are drawing the main vein of the leaf. Till here is the main vein, and then we will draw the leaf. This is like money plant leaf with cuts. So we'll draw like cut pieces of our leaf, both the sides. Just draw freehand. When we are painting on the bag, we will keep a cloth inside, or we'll keep a cardboard inside, so that paint will not go from one side of the bag to the other side. So this is my basic drawing. I'll show you with the black color paint. In Boho Art, the outlines are very prominent. So we will make the outlines with a thicker brush. This is like the money plant which has cuts in it. I'm adjusting the thick cardboard inside the bag so that black paint will not go to other side. Our outline is over. Now we are going to take green color and we will fill in the center. So this is green, and again I'm using a thick brush. In Boho Art, everything is not colorful. Only one main feature is colorful. I'm going to take black paint now, and I will be using a 000 number brush. Okay, this is my black paint, and I'll be using 000 number brush. And it's very simple actually. We will just draw thin lines everywhere. Like this, we will make all the leaves. So all the leaves will be like this. But along with this, we are going to do something else also to make our bag bright. So like some places will give the patches of one color, not too many colors are used here. So we are going to take some light color let's say like this green, okay? And we will give some patches. So how we will give patches? Before giving the patches, I am going to draw some circles. When these circles will dry, then we will do the rest of the work. So again, I'm going to take a thick brush, and you can use any other color of your choice. So we will draw and paint patches with this teal blue color. Once this teal blue color will dry, then we will paint on the top of it with black color paint. So we have to wait for some time so that this teal blue color will be dried. I'll show you on one leaf how will it look. This is 000 number brush. You can do it with pen also. It is simple to do with black color pen. So leaf will look like this when paint will be coated on the blank piece and this. Often, boho colors are warm, pink, gold, yellow, and orange. But there are also plenty of cooler tones too, from turquoise to blue and the green of plants. Bohemian style is all about bright colors. The term Bohemian originally referred to Roma gypsies. So, think about all the fun colors and fringes that come to mind. Often, boho colors are warm, pink, gold, yellow, and orange. But there are also plenty of cooler tones also. Traditional farmhouse style usually has a more subtle and neutral color palette. One easy way to easily combine the two styles is to subdue the bright tones of bohemian interiors. For your boho farmhouse style, turn orange into rust, pink into a faded ochre, yellow into mustard, and blue into navy. Then use gold, which works for both styles. Our design will look like this. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.